Hi guys, today we are going to discuss SAT Mathematics Practice Test Day 2 Exam Style Question Topic Circles. In our previous video we have discussed about surface area and volumes. Let's get started to the first question. A wheel with a radius of 2.2 feet is turning at a constant rate of 400 revolutions per minute on a road. If the wheel traveled k pi miles in 1 hour, what is the value of k? Given 1 mile is equals to 5,280 feet. You may pause for a while and try to do before we see the discussion. First of all, we have to count the circumference of the wheel, which is the circumference of the circle. This is the formula. So this is the first formula. Circumference is pi times d, and then pi times the diameter is 2 times of radius is 4.4, so 4.4 pi feet. And now it's given that turning at a constant rate of 400 revolution 1 minute, so 1 minute is 400 revolution, so 1 revolution is 4.4 pi feet. So now we count 1 minute is equals to 400 times 1 revolution is 4.4 pi, so it's equals to, so 1 minute is 400 revolution times 4.45 equals to 1760 feet, and in 1 hour that is 60 minutes, so we times by 60 to get the distance traveled in 1 minute, because 1 minute 1 hour is 60 minutes, so 1 time 6 times 1760 pi is equals to, so it's equals to 105,600 pi feet. Now the question is, if we'll travel k pi miles in 1 hour, what is the value of k? Now we have to convert. It is given 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Now to convert from feet to miles, so this one we have to divide by 5,280 to get the distance in mile. We count with calculator, we'll get this is 20 pi miles. So the value of k will be k equals to 20. Alright, if there's any question, please write in the comment section below. We'll surely reply to you. Let's go to next question. We're going to cover 5 questions a day for the topic circles, and after this there will be question event for you to practice, and you may write the answer in the comment section. We'll surely reply to you, or if there's any question, please feel free to ask for any idea, input, or request. Thank you. Now let's get to number 2. In the figure above, rectangle OPQR is inscribed in a quarter circle that has a radius of 9. And if PQ equals to 7, what is the area of rectangle OPQR? So this is a multiple choice question. Information that we get is this is 9, radius 9. So this is 9. This is the radius of the quarter circle. If PQ is 7, so PQ is 7. What is the area of the rectangle OPQR? Now, to do this question, we can use Pythagoras, because this is a right angle triangle here. And we just have to count the side of PQ, because area of rectangle OPQR is we get this is our formula. The area is equals to length times breadth. This is our formula. Now, how to get the PQ side? We have to use Pythagoras, so it's a square is b square plus c square. Now in here we take a as 11, 9 square, 7 square plus c square. Or you can replace, because 9 is in front of vertex p, we can replace with one this p. Make it more clear, this is p. 7 is in front of o, so o square, and then this will be q square. So now we have, so o is this side. Talking about o is this side, and then p is this side. P is this side, o is this side, and this is q side. Now how to get the q is 9 square minus 7 square is equals to 81 minus 49 is equals to 32. So q will be the square root of 32. And the area is length. So if this is square root of 32, length times breadth is square root of 32 times 7. So it's equal to, we can break 32 into 4 times 8. The reason I take 4 is because we can take the square root of 4. So square root of 4 is 2. Times square root of 8 times 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. Square root of 8 again. We can break square root of 8. We can break square root of 8. So square root of 8 is 14. Square root of 4 times 2. And then is equal to 14. Square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 2. And then the final answer is 14 times 2 is 28, square root of 2. So this will be our answer. Let's go to question number 3. X squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 6x minus 17 equals to 0. So this is the equation of a circle. We have to count the area. It will be easier for us to count the area of circle if we get the circle in the equation that shows its radius. This is the equation of a circle in the general form. Now we need to convert that in the standard form, in the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. R will be the radius. Formula: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. R is radius and h and k is the vertex. H and k is the center of the circle. So how do we convert these general forms into the standard form? General form and standard form. This is the standard form of circle equation. So we have to do complete the square. So this one we see here. This is minus 4x and minus 6x. So we have to divide by 2. So now x minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 divided by minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3 squared. Now we move the 17 to the right, and then as the result when we expand this, actually we got the extra of this one is the x squared minus 4x plus 4. So there's additional 4, so we have to put 4 in here. And we expand this one is going into y squared minus y times negative 3 times 2 is minus 6y plus 9. There's additional 9. 9 wasn't there in here. So we have to plus 9. And here there's a wrong typing. It should be y. So now we see the reason we add 4 is because there is additional 4 in here. So this is same x squared minus 4x minus 4x and plus 4 we add here. Y squared minus 6y minus 6y plus 9. 9 we add here. Now we have the equation like this. So x minus 2 square in the standard form of circle minus 3y minus 3 square 17 plus 4 plus 9 is equals to 30. Now this is the radius square, so the radius is equals to square root of 30. How to count the area of the circle? How to count the area of the circle? This is our formula. So how to count the area of the circle? Area is equals to pi r square, so it's equals to pi square root of 30 and square is equals to 30 pi. That will be our answer. To question, next question. The figure above shows a semicircle with the length of the adjacent arcs a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, and a plus 4. If the value of x is 42, what is the value of a? On this, all the arcs connect to make us 1, 2, 3. We connect this is a semicircle. We just have to count the length of the circumference of the semicircle, that is a and plus a plus 1 plus a plus 2 plus a plus 3 plus a plus 4. So this all make a semicircle. Altogether is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5a plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Now the angle for a semicircle is equals to 180 degree. Now we can use the ratio x over 180 degree is equals to the circumference for the x is a plus 4. X is this one, a plus 4, and then 180 is this one, 5a plus 10. So we can do the cross multiply. Now it says that the value of x is 42. So the value of x is 42. This is 180. So now we write x is 42. And we can do cross multiply. Now we can cancel this out into 42 over 180 is 7 over 30. Now it's 7 over 30. Continue here. Equals to a plus 4 over 5a plus 10. And then again we cross multiply here. So this one we have not done the cross multiply yet. Now we get 35a plus 70 this side 4 to 7 and this one. And for this one we get 30 times that one is equals to 30 times A is 30A plus 30 times 4 is 120. Now we have 35A minus 30A equals to minus 70 because we move to the right plus 120. Now minus 70 plus 120 is 50. 35A minus 5, 30A is 5A, so A is equal to 10. Will be our answer, 10. Our last question for today is this one. In the circle above, chord RS is parallel to diameter BQ if the length of RS is 3/4 of the length of BQ and the distance between the chord and the diameter is 2 square root of 7. What is the radius of the circle? So this is 2 square root of 7. So this will be 2 square root of 7. Alright. In here, let's see that this is the radius. 2 radius is form a diameter. Now we see that this one, we can make a circle out a triangle in here. So I connect this one with the triangle here. Now I have a right angle. To do this, we have to see what is given is the length of RS is 3/4 the length of PQ. Now PQ is the diameter. It consists of 2 radius. Now we can make a using a Pythagoras. A square equals to B square plus C square for this triangle. So now we have this is the A, this is the B, and that is the C here. This is the C. Now we do A square is the hypotenuse, the radius itself. B is the RS. B is RS. RS is 3/2R square plus the C is 2 square root of 7 square. Now we have R square equals to 3/2 is 9/4. 4 times 7. R square minus 9/4 R square equals to 28. Now this is 9/9 because 1 is equal to 9/9 equal to, sorry, it was it's 4/4. So we have to equalize the denominator, become 4. Now we have 4 minus 9 is minus 5 over. Oh, there's a mistake here. And here we have to use this is the RS is this one. RS is 3/2R. Now for this triangle we have to use half of RS. So half of RS, B is half of RS, so this will be B will be 3/4. 3/4R. So now we fix our mistake. 3/4R. 9/16. 9/16. Now this will be 16/16. So now it becomes 7/16. r square equals to 28. Now r square equals to 28 divided by 7 over 16 equals to 28 times 16 over 7, and r square equals to 64. So r equals to 8. So that will be our answer. So the reason we use 3 over 4 is because we want to use this triangle. 3 over 4r, and this is the r itself, 8 the r, so this is the r, the same r here, and this is the 2 square root of 7, so this triangle. That's it for today. If there's any question, please feel free to ask, and this is the question that for practice for today. Question 1, this is the topic of circle. 2, 3, and 4, and 5 question. So please write the answer if you want to check your answer, and if there's any question you can write down in the comment section. We'll surely reply to you. So this is topic 2 of circle for SIT mathematics practice test. Well, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified with our next video. Check the link in the description section for other useful videos. If you have any further inquiry about study with tuition online, feel free to write email to us. Thank you and God bless you.